deep set prominent eyes are actually quite common, so let me show you how they look like. Lola's eyes are deep set because the brow bone is slightly more in front of the eye. So the eyes are sunken, especially because here this brow bone is angled, here the eyelid starts and then the eye is prominent. You see? If she would just have deep set eyes, they would be deep set if this lid space here would be shorter. So if this lid space would be shorter, she would have just deep set eyes. But because the brow bone goes here in the back and then the eye is brought forward, so the lash line is pulled more in front, the eye looks rounder, therefore this kind of eyes are deep set but at the same time prominent. So that you see Lola's eyes from the front as well. You see how big this lid space is, which is awesome because you can really play with colors, with different makeup techniques. So deep set, prominent eyes, the brow bone is brought forward, then the eye is slightly sunken, but where the eyelashes are, the eye is prominent, so brought forward, and these, so the eyelashes and the brow bone, are pretty much in the same line. See you soon. Ciao.